Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting your base image and prepping materials. Choose an image that complements the room and matches the wall aspect ratio. Once ready, make practice fingerprints on paper using an ink pad or washable paint to dial in pressure and angle. You scan or photograph those tests at high resolution so they remain crisp when enlarged. Make sure to measure the wall and mark a reference grid in centimeters so your printed panels align correctly during layout. Now you take the scanned fingerprints into your editing software and convert them to clean grayscale, removing noise and boosting contrast so ridges remain visible. Next, layer and arrange fingerprints across the canvas, varying scale and rotation to create a natural pattern. Change opacity and blend modes to integrate them with the base image. Once satisfied, slice the artwork into panels that match wallpaper roll widths or printable sheets, labeling edges and including 2-3 cm bleed for over. You move to printing and hanging. Print small test strips to confirm color and scale, then print the full panels on the chosen wallpaper material. Once printed, prepare the wall, mark a vertical plumb line, and start hanging from the center or a visible corner, smoothing bubbles and matching fingerprints across seams. If seams don't align perfectly, make small horizontal adjustments and trim the overlap with a fresh blade. If color tone varies, reprint with adjusted gamma or use a light.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.